Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can write comments, for example, for cards and to-do lists inside your Trello workspace and boards. It is super simple, guys, so let me show you how to do that really quickly. Head over to Trello, log into your account, and select the board from your workspace here in the left panel. So let me go with that board. After that, you will see all of that board's lists and the associated cards here. So let me, for example, leave a comment to that task here. Left click on the given card. And after that, you will see that setup here of the given card. So what you want to do is click on write the comment here below the activity history. And after that, simply leave a comment. So let me, for example, leave a comment like that. Let me take care of that or something like that. Just enter or type in your comment here. You may also customize your text by using, for example, bold letters, italic letters, by adding hyperlinks, by adding images or attaching images, or by attaching files, change the font, the text style, and so on and so forth. And confirm that by clicking on save here to leave and to post the comment. Just like that, as you can see, the comment has been posted. You may edit it if you're the author of the given comment, or delete it. So let me do that just for the sake of this tutorial. Delete comment here. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. As you can see, no rocket science. I hope you got some real value from this, and I'll see you next time on our channel.